What's good, YouTube? Here's your boy Slowboy BK, and today, guys, I will be teaching you how to install your MSD two-step launch box on your 05 to 09 Mustang GTs. So if we come over to this side, you can see the harness itself. I should have showed you a video of the harness outside the car, but once you get the harness, you will know how it go. It does come with a ground wire. I'll get to all that later, but this is just the harness itself. Follows from right there all the way back to right here, and over there behind the intake manifold to the coils. So that's all you gonna do for that side. And I wanted to mount the box on the firewall, but I still have too much wire left, so I fished it down through here and laying it down through there. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the wiring harness. And here is the two-step box itself. I have it mounted number side up right there, as you guys can tell, so I can adjust it easily. And boom, these were connect in or connect to. These are the connectors. Just connect to the harness. What connects the harness to the box, pretty much. And the blue wire is what you want to wire or tap into your clutch pedal, okay? And so I fished these screws. I fished them underneath the intake shroud, just so I could pull it tight and it'd be organized. I don't want everything looking all crappy. Then for the ground wire right here, it's probably hard to see. The black one, I fished it under there also, so it look a little bit neat, and I grounded it to the fender bolt right there. You want to pull that boot off right there, that boot right there. White and blue wire and the solid blue wire into that hole right down there. That little hole right down there, you get down here, pull that back, and you will see the blue, the solid blue and the blue wire. So you just grab them and boom. So the tap should be really easy, so I'm gonna get to the tapping. Tapping into the clutch pedal, that was the hardest one to do. So trying to get a better view of it. There it is. It has a little metal retainer on the side. You can just press the front of that retainer right there, that little brass part, and it should pop off. And do not tap into the black wire. I believe it's some sort of yellow and green wire. You want to tap into that. The black wire is a ground, so do not tap into it. Another quick tip, if you're getting a Misfire, these two cables that go on each side might be switched around. So try switching them around.
A few moments later.